Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Needle Say More. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy tote bag in just 2 minutes. So I've taken the measurements from my existing tote bags. I really love the shape and size. So it is 40 centimetres high and 50 centimetres wide. So to get the most out of my fabric, I'm measuring 80 centimetres from the selvage edge of the fabric, and then I'm adding on 6 centimetres for the hems. So I'm just cutting across, ripping it, and then I'm folding the fabric in half, and I'm going to use sewing clips to attach the sides together and then sew it together on the sewing machine. Remember to back stitch either end, and I'm going to repeat this on both sides of the bag. Once this is completed, I am going to neaten the edges using my overlocker, but this could also be done using zigzag on the sewing machine. The next step is to make the corners boxy. So you pull out the front and back sections, pin into place, and then you need to put a line at a right angle about a ruler's width in, and you're going to sew across this, remembering to back stitch either end. Repeat on both corners and it'll give you this nice boxy shape. Then you're going to hem the top, so fold over by 1 centimetre and then fold over by 2 centimetres, press into place and pin, and then you're going to sew this on the sewing machine. Before I did the hem on the top of the bag, I just added my own handmade label, but it's up to you if you want to use this step. So hem all the way around the top of the bag to finish that raw edge. And then it's going to be time to add the straps. So my straps are 68 centimetres long, and I've attached them 7 centimetres in from the side seam on either side. And then I'm going to use a box and cross stitch on this to make sure I've got really secure, really strong straps. So here you can see, all done. And that is my finished tote bag.